Turn your daily routines into cash? You have to see this. What's up, everybody? Here is Remote Radar, and today we're about to blow your minds with a challenge that's going to make you see your daily grind in a whole new light. We're talking about turning those everyday things you do. Yeah, I'm talking brushing your teeth, walking the dog, even scrolling through memes into cold, hard cash. You heard me right. We're diving deep into the world of monetizing your daily routine. Because let's be real, time is money, and why not get paid for the stuff you're already doing? We're not talking about getting rich quick schemes here, but some seriously clever and practical ways to turn your everyday habits into income streams. Get ready for some mind-blowing tips and tricks because we're about to reveal how you can make money doing just about anything. We're talking turning your passion for cooking into a food empire, your killer workout routine into a fitness phenomenon, and even your daily commute into a podcasting goldmine. You won't believe what's possible. All right, first things first, we gotta figure out what routines in your life are just screaming to be monetized. Think about it. What do you do every single day without even thinking? Do you find yourself glued to cooking shows, whipping up gourmet meals in your sleep? Maybe you're a fitness fanatic, hitting the gym harder than I hit those last-second challenges. Or maybe you're a master commuter, spending hours on the road listening to music or getting lost in audiobooks. These, my friends, are not just routines, they're potential money-making machines. That's right, your love for cooking could turn into a killer food blog or YouTube channel where you share your culinary adventures with the world. And that workout routine that's got you looking like a Greek god? That's pure gold for fitness tutorials on social media or even your own personalized fitness app. And for all you commuters out there, don't even get me started. That's prime time to unleash your inner storyteller with a captivating podcast or dive into the world of audiobooks. The possibilities are endless. We're talking turning your car into a mobile recording studio, your kitchen into a culinary empire, and your living room into a fitness haven. But here's the thing. We're not just going to leave you hanging with vague ideas. We're about to break down each of these money-making routines step by step, giving you all the tools and strategies you need to turn your daily grind into a cash cow. So grab a pen and paper, because things are about to get real. We're about to unlock the hidden potential in your everyday life and show you how to turn those mundane routines into exciting income streams. Get ready to hustle, because the world is your oyster, and we're about to crack it wide open. Now that you've identified those golden routines, it's time to unleash your inner entrepreneur and transform them into money-making machines. And trust me, this is where the real fun begins. We're talking about getting creative, thinking outside the box, and coming up with innovative ways to monetize your passions. Let's start with cooking, shall we? Imagine this. You're whipping up a storm in the kitchen, your signature dish, the one that makes your taste buds sing. Now imagine capturing that culinary magic on camera, sharing your secret recipes, and teaching the world how to cook like a pro. That's the power of a food blog or YouTube channel, my friends. But wait, there's more. What if you could turn your passion for fitness into a thriving online business? Picture this. You're crushing your workout, feeling the burn, and inspiring others to join your fitness journey. With social media platforms and fitness apps, you can share your workouts, offer personalized training plans, and even create your own fitness challenges. And for all you commuting kings and queens out there, your daily commute is about to become your secret weapon. Imagine this. You're stuck in traffic, but instead of letting the frustration get to you, you're recording a captivating podcast, sharing your thoughts, stories, or expertise with the world. Or maybe you're diving into the world of audiobooks, lending your voice to bring stories to life. The possibilities are endless, my friends. From selling your culinary creations online to building a loyal following of fitness enthusiasts to captivating audiences with your voice, the sky's the limit. We're talking about turning your passions into profits, your hobbies into hustles, and your everyday routines into exciting income streams. So get ready to unleash your inner entrepreneur, because we're about to dive deep into the world of monetization and show you exactly how to turn your daily grind into a cash cow. Get ready to hustle, because the world is your oyster, and we're about to crack it wide open. The ultimate toolkit for monetizing your world. All right, guys, we've talked about the routines, we've brainstormed the money-making ideas, and now it's time to equip you with the tools and platforms you need to turn those dreams into reality. Think of this as your digital toolbox, packed with everything you need to build your online empire. First up, we've got the heavy hitters of content creation: YouTube, blogs, and social media. These platforms are your stage, your megaphone, your direct line to a global audience. YouTube is perfect for showcasing your cooking skills, fitness routines, or even your podcasting prowess. Blogs are ideal for sharing your written words, recipes, or fitness tips. And social media? Well, that's your secret weapon for connecting with your audience, building a loyal following, and promoting your content. But hold on, we're not done yet. We're also diving into the world of affiliate marketing and sponsorships. These are game changers, my friends. Imagine getting paid to promote products you love, products that align with your content and resonate with your audience. That's the power of affiliate marketing. And sponsorships? Well, that's where brands pay you to feature their products or services in your content. And to keep track of all this money you're making, we're hooking you up with some awesome apps for tracking income and engagement. These apps are like your personal financial advisors, helping you monitor your earnings, analyze your audience, and optimize your content for maximum profitability. We're talking about turning your passions into profits, your hobbies into hustles, and your everyday routines into exciting income streams. So get ready to unleash your inner entrepreneur, because we're about to dive deep into the world of monetization and show you exactly how to turn your daily grind into a cash cow. Get ready to hustle, because the world is your oyster, and we're about to crack it wide open. Building your empire from zero to hero. Now that you've got the tools and platforms, it's time to build your online empire. And trust me, this is where the real magic happens. We're talking about creating killer content, connecting with your audience, and building a loyal following that can't get enough of you. But here's the secret sauce, the key ingredient that separates the amateurs from the pros: consistency and authenticity. That's right, my friends. You gotta show up consistently, day after day, week after week, delivering high-quality content that provides value to your audience. And you gotta be yourself. Be authentic. Be genuine. People can spot a fake from a mile away, so let your true personality shine through. And speaking of connecting with your audience, let's talk about engagement. Don't just be a talking head. Engage with your viewers, your readers, your listeners. Respond to comments, answer questions, run polls, host Quanda sessions. Make your audience feel heard. Make them feel valued. Make them feel like they're a part of your journey. And don't underestimate the power of social media. Use it to promote your content, connect with other creators, and even collaborate on projects. The more you put yourself out there, the more visible you become, and the more opportunities will come knocking at your door. We're talking about turning your passions into profits, your hobbies into hustles, and your everyday routines into exciting income streams. So get ready to unleash your inner entrepreneur, because we're about to dive deep into the world of monetization and show you exactly how to turn your daily grind into a cash cow. Get ready to hustle, because the world is your oyster, and we're about to crack it wide open. Conquering the content creation gauntlet. Now let's get real for a second. Building an online business isn't always sunshine and rainbows. There will be challenges, there will be obstacles, there will be times when you want to throw in the towel and go back to your regular routine. But trust me, the rewards are so worth it. One of the biggest challenges you'll face is staying motivated. When you're working for yourself, it's easy to get sidetracked, to procrastinate, to lose sight of your goals. But that's why it's so important to set realistic goals, to break down your big dreams into smaller, more manageable steps. And don't be afraid to celebrate your wins along the way. Every milestone, no matter how small, is a reason to celebrate. Another challenge you'll encounter is time management. When you're juggling a full-time job, a family, and a social life, it can be tough to find the time to work on your side hustle. But that's where prioritization comes in. You gotta make time for what's important to you. Wake up an hour earlier, stay up an hour later, use your lunch break wisely. Every little bit counts. And finally, don't be afraid to fail. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's a stepping stone to success. Every mistake, every setback, every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. So embrace the journey, embrace the challenges, and never give up on your dreams. We're talking about turning your passions into profits, your hobbies into hustles, and your everyday routines into exciting income streams. So get ready to unleash your inner entrepreneur, because we're about to dive deep into the world of monetization and show you exactly how to turn your daily grind into a cash cow. Get ready to hustle, because the world is your oyster, and we're about to crack it wide open. Level up your life. Turn routines into riches. So there you have it, guys. We've uncovered the secrets to turning your daily routines into income-generating machines. From identifying those hidden gold mines in your day to equipping you with the ultimate toolkit for monetization, we've covered it all. Remember, the key is to take action. Don't just watch this video and do nothing. Choose one routine, one idea, and start today. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll be on your way to financial freedom. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks on how to level up your life. And while you're at it, hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And be sure to share your thoughts, your ideas, and your own monetization journeys in the comments below. I can't wait to hear from you. Until next time, peace out.